Are you looking for a powerful tool for CAN bus communication? In this video, I will show you how to connect an OBDII cable to our trainer and assemble it with a Deutsch connector to get all the data from your vehicle. I'm Santi from INPRONIC USA. Let's do this. First, we will learn how to connect it directly using the wires. We locate the green wire, which is CAN high, and the brown and white wire, which is CAN low. Only these two are required for the CAN bus communication. We proceed to cut the other wires to avoid confusion during the process, leaving only the CAN high and the CAN low. With the help of a utility knife, we carefully remove the insulation from both wires, leaving the ends exposed. We twist the tips to make the connection easier, and now our wires are ready to be connected to the trainer. With the trainer in our hands, we locate the terminal block, where the positions for CAN high and CAN low are labeled. The first step is to use a small flat screwdriver to loosen the lock on the terminal block so the wires can be inserted. We place the green wire, which is CAN high, on the left side of the terminal block, following the label, and then tighten the lock again. We do the same with the brown and white wire, which is CAN low, connecting it on the right side and tightening the block. With this connection, you are now ready to start training. With your purchase, you will receive a Deutsch connector, and now I am going to show you how to install it. This connector is made up of 3 parts, which are the housing, the top lock, and the bottom lock. First, we need to crimp our wires using a crimping tool. We place the longer side of the terminal into the tool, insert the wire, and press down firmly. We repeat the same process with the other wire, and the result should look like the one shown in the image. Now we are going to place the bottom lock. We check that the CAN high is on the left side and the CAN low is on the right side. We apply pressure, and the lock is secured in this position. Now we place it into the housing, inserting it from the bottom. We apply a bit of pressure until the terminals slide through and the lock stays fixed. Then we place the top lock, and our cable with the Deutsch connector is fully assembled. For extra safety, you can wrap it with adhesive tape or with a protective cover. We connect it to the trainer, and that is it. You are now ready to start training like a professional. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to follow us for more tutorials.